Hi everyone, this is Barry. This tutorial is about Enjoy AI 2024 Rules for Space Traveling. First competition theme. Space is a mysterious and infinite realm. Its vast and star-lit darkness inspires our imagination and the desire for exploration. In Enjoy AL 2024, we will join the navigator Joy on space travel. We will explore planets, learn about star systems, and seek life to unveil the secrets of space science. Competition Field. The competition is held on an indoor 300 by 300 centimeter field, as shown in the figure. The field is covered by PU fabric or spray-painted cloth that has 20 by 20 centimeter QR codes. In the lower left corner of the field, there is a drone base of 30 by 30 centimeters. The field is enclosed by a fence. The fence is 50 to 100 centimeters away from the field's edge to create a safety buffer. Tasks and scoring. You earn points each time you complete a task. Points are not awarded multiple times for repeating the same task. The first mission is to take off. If the drone successfully takes off from the drone base, you earn 40 points. Here is the mission progress. The second mission is fly through rings. 2 rings are deployed on the field, each with a 60 centimeter outer diameter. One ring is positioned higher than the other, as shown in the figure. If the drone flies through a ring, you earn 50 points. Here is the mission progress. This third task is pass a hurdle. A hurdle is deployed on the field, as showing the figure. If the drone flies under the crossbar, you earn 40 points. If the drone circles around the crossbar, you earn another 60 points. Points are awarded only once, regardless of the times the drone circles around the crossbar. You can earn more points if your drone flies under and then around the crossbar. Here is the mission progress. The fourth task is to pass a double bar handle. A double crossbar hurdle is deployed on the field, as shown in the figure. If the drone flies between the 2 crossbars, you earn 40 points. If the drone circles around one of the crossbars, you earn 60 points. If the drone completes an H-shaped trajectory around both crossbars, you earn 80 points. Points are awarded only once, regardless of the times the drone circles around the crossbar. You can earn more points if your drone flies under and then around the crossbar. Here is the mission progress. The fifth task is circle around a pole. A pole is deployed on the field, as shown in the figure. If the drone circles around the pole clockwise or counterclockwise, you earn 60 points. Here is the mission progress. The sixth task is to fly around 2 poles. 2 poles are deployed horizontally or vertically side by side, as shown in the figure. If the drone flies around the poles in an S-shaped trajectory, you earn 80 points. If the drone flies a full circle around a pole, you do not earn additional points. Here is the mission progress. The seventh task is to ascend through a ring. A ring with a 60-centimeter outer diameter is horizontally placed on the field, as shown in the figure. If the drone ascends through the ring, you earn 70 points. The figure shows the details. Here is the mission progress. The eighth task is returning to the base after you complete the preceding tasks. The drone must return to the drone base without next move. If any top-down projection part of the drone does not exceed the edge of the base, you earn 40 points. The return mission must be the last competition mission to be completed. Here is the mission progress. And the last part is additional tasks. Carry a ball. An additional task may be involved in this competition. In this task, a structure is installed on the lower crossbar or lower pole, and a 4-centimeter blue ball is placed on the structure. You are expected to bring the blue ball back to the drone base by using the drone. If you complete the additional task, you earn 100 bonus points. The tasks assigned to different divisions of the teams may vary. Areas on the field. There are 9 areas on the field, numbered 1 to 9, as shown in the figure. Before the competition begins, a draw is made to determine the specific task in each area. The heights and the directions of facilities set up in each area are announced by the referees. Thanks for watching. Wishing you all the best in the competition.